The house design your dream home become reality. The interior design.
Let's take a look at the beautiful house, a family Portugalete residence, and this house is designed by no other than Mr. Henry.
Let's make this empty space come alive by simple, elegant kitchen first. Our dining area. Then our receiving area. Let's on the lights. So elegant design and minimalist interior. Let's make this 9.72 square meter room alive for my beloved mother. Let's the lights on.
Is this my room, Mama?
Yes, and we will make your 10.36 square meter room set up nicely.
Papa, I like the way you set up my computer. I love you, Papa Brian.
I love you too, Elisha.
Oh, it's double-decker bed. I love it.
Yes, it was because it is for you and your brother.
I will on the lights, Mama.
What about the powder room?
Yes, it was so classy and cozy because with a shower and bath.
Yeah, I love it. It's quite nice and class, my love. Where is the laundry area?
At the back, my love, let's go there.
Oh, is this our master bedroom?
Yes, this is our room, and here we will make our memories. And our intimate moment, my love. Nice TV and wall cladding, I love it.
Wow, I love our toilet. The bath, look, the shower, it's so beautiful. Oh nice, I can't wait to sleep together with you, my love, Lynn, in our beautiful bed.
Nice closet, I like it. I have a final surprise for you, Brian. Let's go that door.
What is this? It is an empty area.
Just wait, it will blow your mind. This is your man's cave, a home family entertainment area.
Wow, with inside garden. Nice idea, instead of just a window. I love the designer of this beautiful house. Wow, are you kidding? It is so amazing entertainment. Thank you, Henry, you are the best designer.
Next, the top view and floor plan. This lot is only 300 square meters, 16 by 19 meters. Floor plan is only 113.5 square meter area. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please subscribe. Help support my YouTube channel by hitting that below subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.